Hello, teacher. My name is Karen, and in today's exam, I am going to show you how the different features and tools that I can use in Google Classroom, and how can I create a questionnaire, and how can I add people or students to my classroom, and how can I import my questionnaire to the Google Classroom and put and set a day in the Google Calendar. So to start, I am going to show you what I did, and as you can see, this is the Google Classroom, and the first thing I did was to put an announcement. And this announcement is for my students. And here, for example, I put, hello everyone, I just wanted to let you know that the partial is already posted in Google Classroom. We are going to have a review next week. So in case you want to join, I will let you the link on Google Meet. So if you can see here, I already let my students know that the exam is already in the platform in Google Classroom, and that they can go to the next class review. They can come and click here. So I did this by going into Google Calendar. And after that, as you can see, this part below, I already put here the day that they will be able to do the exam. In this part, so if we can click here, you can see, teacher, that I already joined some students in this part. So they are using the institutional account, so they can start to do the questionnaire. And in this part, we can find the questionnaire. This is a English grammar test, and in this part, the students are reading. The students can find the first part, which is that they have to read the instructions. And then, as you can see, I have add the different type of categories of items. So as you can see here, I put one, you can see the score, you can see the questions, and here you just have to answer. And in this one, I add like that. I have used different type of items, and I consider that this is very easy, and it's very easy to customize for teachers when they want to do an exam and make it look very, attractive for them. In this part, I created as a true or false statement. So they just have to select which one is, and in this one, it's this. And also you have here a little note that they are saying that they have to click on both. And it's the same for all of them. And at the end, I have put here that the scale of the level of the difficulty of this exam. So Here, as you can see, I put a little description, and these questions have no ponderation. However, it is obligatory for them to answer. So they can rate here or scale how easy or hard they think it was the exam that they just did. And they can also click here so they can have a copy of their answers, and then I click on send, and that's it. So as you can see, this is what the students can do in the Google account. I liked it because it's very interactive for them. In this part you can find in here. And yes, you can also send a private text to your students. And the good thing about this is that the grades are going straight to Google Drive. So that's the good thing about it. As you can see, you can come here and import. Once they have finished, you can import the grades, and that's pretty much everything. So as you can see, this is the grammar test. This is the class, the Google Meet class, and this is the announcement and the students that I add. So thank you so much, teacher. Bye.